All right, so we caught one out here. We caught one, wasn't the biggest one in the tournament, but we got one. So we've been using crab on one. I've been using crab on one, cut crab, and mullet, live mullet, cut mullet. On this last one, the one we hooked up with, I had just a big mullet, cut the head off, because we haven't caught anything. So I was like, man, let's, you know, the head always is money, right? So my brother, he threw his, and I threw mine with the, he cut it, gave me the piece, cut it, cast it out. I was trying to get the other rod ready with the crab to cast out, and that's when it, like, oh shit, let's go. That's how it goes. Well, here's the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, man. Appreciate it. Much love.
All right, we're live now.
Oh yeah, we got one.
Shit, I think mine. Oh, you know what? You're probably on mine as well. Mine got loose over there too.
What do you say, Jose?
It's easier to get on the rocks over here, Joe. Try to get on there so you won't hit the rocks. You're above her. Yeah, get up there on the rocks. Looks like a red, right? Well, it's not, I know it's not a winner, but I know it's not a winner. I think first place is like 44, I believe. I think so. Yeah, go ahead. We'll check in a little bit. Fish, something, I don't know, unless it has something that came in, but I doubt it though.
Yeah. That one was shaking.
Was it?
Yeah. So you might have a fish on it still.
Alright, check it out. Oh, you got it back.
Hey, I got the smallest.
35.
34.
We just measured it just for fun here.